What's up, you guys? It's your boy Jose, and today, well, we got a good video. It's an important one. See, it's all about facial hair. I'm gonna show you how to grow a thicker, fuller, stronger beard in just 30 days. And here's the thing. If you watched my video where I did 10 guys versus 1 girl based on body hair, you realized how important this was right here. And if you want it, I'm gonna give it to you today. See, I've always struggled with growing my beard, and I've tried almost everything you can think of under the sun. You can even go back to about like 3 to 4 years ago when I was like around 21, 22 or whatever. You could watch videos when I had a growth routine and I was putting minoxidil on my face, which was horrible because it caused a lot of irritation and side effects and all this stuff. I did everything you can think of, and while yes, it did help it grow, there was a lot of side effects. Today, I want to give you natural ways to grow your beard that won't have any side effects, that you can boost that facial growth and, well, boost your attractiveness. Let's go. Number 1, it's called the Derma Roller. This is great because, see, one of the main things that you need for healthy hair growth in general is the production of keratin, which is a protein that your body produces naturally. Well, the Derma Roller, all it is this natural tool with very small, tiny needles, which creates a process called micro needling. When you do this, not only are you increasing nutrient-rich blood flow to the area that you're rolling, in this case, that would be your beard, you're also activating the production of collagen and keratin. Both of those you need for active hair growth. Now, what I recommend is you want to do it at least twice a week. This one is from Copenhagen Grooming, which is kind of sexy, and one of the reasons I really liked it. It's a sleek matte black packaging, so it looks kind of sick in my bathroom, and well, it makes the experience a little bit more fun when it looks this good. Number 2, an ingredient called Capilla longa. This contains the main ingredient, Biotin, which helps to start growing your hair again by increasing blood circulation or activating your dormant papilla cells. This specific ingredient is found in our sponsor's activator serum from Copenhagen Grooming that I've been using for the last 3 months. Now, personally, I've been using it 3 times a day, every day for the last 3 months. And within the first month, you can already see like light peach fuzz start to form. See, my left side has always been my weaker side when it comes to my beard. And my goal within the last month was to kind of strengthen my beard, make it thicker, make it stronger, and fill in some of those patches that I have, which is a problem that most dudes face. You want a thick, full, strong beard. So using this ingredient, so while they do recommend you use this for 5 to 6 months before you start seeing some of that strong hair growth, I've only been using it for 3 months, and within the first month, I was already seeing light peach fuzz forming. Now, this isn't just some random case. See, they have a clinical study that found that in most men that used it over 150 days, 94% of them activated some sort of hair growth, 55% said on average that their beard hair got thicker, and about 10% said that their beard was growing faster. So again, go to their site. You can see the before and after from people that have actually used the product. That's not just me. On top of me telling you like, yo, this actually works. And the great part is that they have a 150-day guarantee. Like, this is how much they trust their product. They put so much research and development into it that they're guaranteeing it for 150 days. If you use the product as said for 150 days and you get no hair growth, you get your money back, no questions asked. But that's how confident they are. So basically, you got nothing to lose and everything to gain when you try this product, because here's the real kicker that got me excited. It's all natural. See, unlike other ingredients and stuff that on the market or stuff that I've used in the past that have all these side effects, I had 0 side effects with this. Because on top of the Capilla longa ingredient, it's created with biotin and other natural ingredients that don't harm your skin or have any side effects whatsoever. So no itching, no redness, no flaking, none of that. So really, it is nothing to lose. When you pair this with your Derma Roller that they sell as well, see, the Derma Roller opens up your skin and allows the serum, the activator serum, to really reach deep in. You're gonna have crazy success. Again, yes, results vary depending on person to person, but on average, the results speak for themselves, and I want you guys to try them out. Like, if you guys want a really good natural solution that's gonna kick it out the ballpark, you guys gotta try out Copenhagen Grooming, and it's a great way to start the year. If you wanna kill it this year with your beard growth, start now, and by the end of the year, you're gonna be thanking me. If you guys wanna check out Copenhagen Grooming, they're gonna be linked down below so you guys can get started and get that beard to look thicker. Which takes us on to trick number 3, which is consuming biotin. Like I mentioned before, the activator serum does have biotin in it. So yes, biotin is a supplement or a natural ingredient that you can take or you can put on topically, but you can also consume it like a vitamin. Biotin is found in natural foods, but if you lack in biotin, you can consume about 2.5 milligrams every single day in a vitamin format. This vitamin can dramatically boost the production of keratin, which like I mentioned, it's like that structural base for your hair and your nails. Number 4, exfoliate at least once a week. See, throughout the day, you get a lot of dirt, dead skin cells, oils that start blocking your skin and clogging up your pores, which is not what you want when you're trying to get those small little vellus hairs to push through. What you need to do is to start exfoliating your skin every day. Not only is it going to be healthy for your skin, not only is your skin going to get smoother, what you're doing is that you're removing or lightly scrubbing off all that dead skin cell, which is going to promote some of that healthy, nutrient-rich blood circulation, while also promote some of that collagen to make sure that your skin is primed for the beard growth that you're about to experience when you combine it with everything else I'm talking about in this video. And finally, number 5, consume more protein. Like, look, protein's a great thing. It builds muscle. Like, we're men, eat more meat. Or if you're a vegetarian, find your protein in your veggies. Doesn't matter where you're getting it. You just need more protein. It's been shown that the protein that's found in your natural foods, like your meat, your fish, your eggs, that can help boost your natural hair growth, on top of making sure that your natural hair growth, you got to keep in mind that your body's a machine, right? And the growth of your hair, or the rate that your hair grows, is a reflection of how healthy you are. So the better your diet is, the better your beard growth is going to be in. Well, also the muscle. So it's a win-win. That's it for this week's video, guys. Those are 5 things that you can do to boost that beard growth naturally. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Copenhagen Grooming. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today.